All right, folks, gather up. Remember Kolobok, the little round bread? No? Don't worry. Let's roll through his story fast. Here are the main characters of this story. Grandpa and Grandma, professional bread enthusiasts. The hare, a sprinting pro when trouble hits. The wolf, a walking appetite with a sly grin. The bear, big, friendly, and always hungry. And the fox, the cunning queen of the forest with a PhD in manipulation. They would have lived chill and happy if not for this little dude with a wild case of wanderlust and unstoppable energy. Kolobok. All right, let's dive in.
How about something round, golden, and warm for dinner?
You mean food or describing yourself? All right, I'll bake, but if it runs away, your problem.
And so, Grandma got to work and baked the cutest little Kolobok. But uh-oh, this little dude had no plans to sit still. Just wait and see what happens next. Hold up, wait a minute. What's this? He's alive, people. Oh, and look, he's singing now.
Kolobok, Kolobok, I'm round like bread. To bake me, Grandpa swept the flour in the barn. Grandma swept the flour in the storerooms. And then she kneaded the dough with sour cream and baked me in the hot oven. Cooled me by the window and I ran away from Grandpa and I ran away from Grandma. La 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 la.
Yo, little dude! You look like a snack, though. What's up with you?
What's up with you, Bunny? Nah, you're not eating me today. I'm off to explore the world. That's right, buddy. Catch me if you can.
Yo, what's this? A little round snack just rolling through my territory. Let me tell you, I'm hungry.
Bro, not today. I'm out of here.
Hey, get back here, you little dough ball.
Catch me in your dreams, furball. Well, damn.
Hold up. You're looking like you could feed me for a week. I've got no plans for dinner. Why not?
Nah, not today, homie. You think I'm an easy meal? I'm a free spirit and I ain't sticking around to be your dinner. Too slow, big guy.
Huh. What just happened?
Oh my, what a surprise. So golden, so delicious. Oh, oops, I meant charming.
Thanks.
You must be tired. Why don't we sit and chat for a bit? I'd love to know. What's your secret to that perfect golden glow?
Well, I'm just naturally like this.
You know, Kolobok, that's quite a dilemma. To be or not to be.
Whoa! What do you think you're doing, you sly, sneaky fox?
To keep rolling free, or...
Wait a sec. This is a trap, isn't it?
Oh, no. I just appreciate quality baked goods. And good conversation.
Well, you know, smart is not really my thing. I'm just dough with eyes.
Ah, such delicate little buns. So easy to crumble.
Whoa, that was close. I almost ended up on today's lunch menu.
And from you, rabbit, I ran. And from you, wolf, I ran. And from you, bear, I ran. And from you, fox, I'll escape too. La 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 la.
And so our little Kolobok adventure comes to an end. For now. He may not have ears, but he sure learned to listen. But the story doesn't stop here. If you enjoyed Kolobok's journey, you'll love what comes next. We've brought our golden friend to life once again, stitch by stitch. You'll see a sneak peek of the embroidery right here at the end. And if you're curious, there's a full shorts video showing it in more detail. Want to stitch your own Kolobok? Embroidery files will be available in our Etsy shop. Check the video description for all the links.